Smoky fire in the hole. Let's cook a burger. Stay tuned. Bacon roasting on an open fire. Hey, welcome to my backyard barbecue pit. You know it's going to be a good video when it starts out cooking bacon, right? That piece is trying to get off the grill, but I'm not going to let him. Yeah, we're cooking up some bacon because we're making a burger inspired by a certain fast food restaurant whose name I'm not going to mention, Checkers. And we got to cook up some bacon because we need some bacon for this burger, because the name of the burger is Baconzilla. So when you got a name like Baconzilla, you better come through with some bacon. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of bacon that are going on my burger. So let me get some bacon cooked up here. Yeah, that piece ain't gonna make it, but this is 2 pieces here, I think. Anyway, let's get some bacon cooked up to burger size pieces, and then we're gonna get these burgers on here. Now I was thinking about, I wanted to make an Oklahoma onion burger, so I've decided to combine the best aspects of those 2 burgers, the Baconzilla and the Oklahoma onion burger. So let me get this bacon cooked up and we'll get our burgers on here, so stay tuned. I'm cooking up some Cheese Whiz because that's what they showed in the commercials. Getting it warmed up to get it where it's like pourable. And on my griddle, I'm going to throw down some Sang stir-fry oil because that bacon fat didn't hang around. And then we're going to throw down some onions. A pile of thinly sliced onions, like that. We're going to cook them up a little bit. Going to season them with some salt and pepper, very simply seasoned. Salt and pepper. Same for the burgers. Salt and pepper. Get our onions cooked out a little bit. We'll throw down with our burger and smash it down on the onions. Stick around, I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, the onions got a little bit of cook on them. We're going to throw down with a burger right there and some parchment paper and smash that puppy flat with my burger smasher. Flat as I can get it. That's it. That's patty number 1 right there. We're going to flip that and cook it. Make sure those onions stick to that burger as best as they can. Get a little bit of cook on that. We'll flip it. I think we can flip it now, can't we? Let's flip it over. There we go. How's that look? Not too shabby. Let's get some more onions. So put some more Sang stir-fry oil down first. Right here, where the hot spot of the grill is. That's the hottest place. We'll throw down some more onion. A little bit of salt and pepper. Seasoning. The burger's already seasoned with salt and pepper. Here's some stray onions that got away. We'll just dump them right in the grill. Got to get my cheese sauce melted down a little bit because we got to pour that over the burgers. We get a little bit of cook on that those onions and I'll show you what's going on here. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm ready to throw down patty number 2 right there. Get my parchment paper and my burger smasher and smash the hell out of it. There we go. Get that off of there without burning myself. Woo! Hot. Hot stuff, folks. Let me tell you what. Looking good though, isn't it? Let that cook a little bit. We'll flip it. Then we'll come back and assemble this burger. This Baconzilla. Stay tuned. Okay, let's assemble this burger. I think I've got all my ducks in a row. I've got a nice toasted ciabatta bun. It's the only kind of bun that would stand up to this burger. I'm going to put a little bit of my favorite burger sauce on there, which I make myself. It's equal parts mayo, ketchup, mustard, and Wickles sandwich spread. If you can't find Wickles sandwich spread, you could substitute pickle relish and hot peppers, but that's what's in Wickles sandwich spread. So we're going to get that on there. Then I'm going to get some bacon, because this is, after all, Baconzilla. 1, Oh, that one's crispy. This one's a crispy piece. 2. I don't really like it that crispy. 3 pieces of bacon on the bottom of the bun. Okay. Let's get one of our patties over here. One of our burger patties on top of that. That's patty number 1. And then we've got some melty cheese to go on top of that. Some like that. Okay. Then we're going to put some more bacon. Another round of bacon. 1, 2. I promised you 9 pieces of bacon, right? So there's another 3 pieces of bacon on top of that cheese, that melty cheese. Here's the next patty. I'm going to go down with that. Next patty. There you go. We got to put some of my sauce on there, and then some more cheese, right? Because this is, after all, a bacon cheeseburger. We want that melty cheese to be like flowing down the side. You know what I'm saying? We're doing this, you know, it's like food porn. You know what I'm saying? Okay. What else? Bacon. More bacon. Another 3 pieces of bacon. So my Baconzilla has 9 pieces of bacon, toasted ciabatta roll, my special sauce. I probably should wipe that plate off before I do any food porn. Let me get a napkin. Oh, boy. Yeah, try any food porn without wiping the plate. Yeah. How's that look? Not too shabby. Let me get a beer and we'll get a taste of this awesome burger. Stay tuned. I promised myself I was going to do a flyby like my buddy Craig does. And I'm going to have to sing a little bit. Go, go, Baconzilla. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, 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 ah. Ladies and gentlemen, the star of the show, the Frosty Root Boy mug, and here's today's beer. Rob, you're not going to like this one at all. Let's back out of that a little bit. That's a little too close. This is the Terrapin Hopsecutioner. This beer has like 6 different kinds of hops in it. Simcoe, Amarillo, Cascade, Centennial, Warrior, and Chinook hops. You know that's going to be a hoppy beer. Rob, I know you don't like hoppy beers, but I do. And I'm the one drinking, so. Alright, let's pour out this Hopsecutioner. I've had this before. This is from Terrapin Brewing Company in Georgia, believe it or not. And it's supposed to be a pale ale, but wow, it's almost red. Hopsecutioner IPA. What's the ABV on that stuff? India Pale Ale. Killer IPA. Alcohol by volume 7.3. So that's going to be a hoppy alcoholic beer. Let's sniff the sniff off it, Rob. Ah, it smells great. It smells excellent. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. That's the next step. Ah, good beer. Hey, there's nothing like burgers and beer. I got the best of both worlds here. I got triple 9 pieces of bacon. That's Baconzilla. I've got onion burgers. I've got my special sauce and that melty cheese on there. I'm going to squish that down and try to get some of it in my mouth. I'm not sure if I'll succeed. Look at that. Does that look like something you might want to eat? Stay tuned. Mmm. Oh boy. Oh. If you could see my face, here's the napkin. I am covered in cheese and bacon grease and burger drippings. This is an awesome burger right here. Hey, babies, that's my video. Hope you enjoyed it. You know what? I want to do something. Hang on. I'll be right back. So my daughter belongs to this beer club, and she got this beer. And this is a very arty can, but I got to tell you what's in it. This is called the Seasonal Series of Opaque Thoughts, a double milkshake IPA with marshmallow, coconut, double vanilla, and lactose. It's 8% alcohol by volume. Well, we tasted this beer and it's awful. It's horrible. I hated it. You know, maybe somebody out in my audience would like to have it. So if you would like to try this beer, I'll give a chance for one lucky subscriber to win that beer off of me. And maybe I'll throw in some rub too while I'm at it. It's a beautiful can, and it's a good idea. A double milkshake, marshmallow, coconut, double vanilla, and lactose. It is totally horrible. Whoever wins this beer, I want you to do a beer review and tell me if you actually were able to stomach it or not. I was not able to take it. My daughter and I tasted it. It was horrible, and she promised to complain to the to the people that sold it to her. Anyway, she bought 2 of them. Here's one I want to give away. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat my Baconzilla burger, and while I'm doing it, I'll be singing Blue Oyster Cult, you know, the whole time. And anyway, that's my video, babies. You come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. So, bye.